Hi guys, it's Jamilla here and I hope you're having a wonderful day today. So for today's video, I am doing something I've never done before, which is a makeover on somebody else's bedroom. I've only done makeovers on my own space, so I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm really excited to be working on this. So I only have 2 days to get this bedroom makeover done. So I'm loading up my car with all of my decor and supplies and lugging it all the way to my friend's home, which is an hour away, but it's going to be really crazy. So I'm doing a bedroom makeover on my friend Sandy and her boyfriend's space. And I would describe Sandy's style to be very chic, feminine, and glam. So I definitely wanted to emulate her personality into the design. What kind of interior design styles do you like?
So I typically gravitate towards more like the posh and glam style. So adding some pinks in there.
And her boyfriend really does not care about home decor. So he's letting us do whatever we want, which is amazing. You like more feminine touches, but how about your boyfriend? Does he like the dark colors or he's open to like whatever you choose?
He's like totally open to whatever I want to do, so
that's perfect.
Down.
And this is the mood board that I put together for Sandy's makeover. As you can see, the primary color here is pink. I would say for me, I'm going to try to integrate some more modern organic textures because I feel like glam can lean a little bit colder. Okay, enough talking. Let's load up my car and get started. And this is all that I'm taking with me. Alrighty, my car is filled to the brim with stuff, so let's go. Okay, so I have my best friend Amy here. She's gonna be helping me, bless her heart. I'm bribing her with food. So here is the bedroom, and as you can see, it's a really nice blank space. So we can make it however we want. It's a pretty small bedroom as well. So we're gonna try to work with what we have. So this is the peel and stick wallpaper that we're gonna attach on that wall. It is a beautiful leopard pink cheetah print. So for this project, all you'll need is a squeegee tool to get rid of any air bubbles and then an X-Acto knife to cut off any excess wallpaper. There was a gap between two of the panels, but I was able to just patch it up with more wallpaper, so it looked fine. And this project was a little bit challenging because the wall wasn't completely smooth. There was a lot of texture, so it created a lot of air bubbles. So I recommend going super slow. We're done. Okay guys, we are finally finished with the wallpaper and I think it just needs some decor, but I do really love the print. So now we're gonna put together the new bed, and it is this beautiful fluted cream headboard. I think it's gonna look so good against this wallpaper. Hi guys, okay, now we are at Home Goods and we're gonna go look for some stuff. But we're gonna continue with this makeover until tomorrow. Good morning guys. Okay, so it is the next day and we are going to continue with this makeover. So the first project of the day is going to be replacing the light fixture. And I got this really nice light fixture from Target for a really great price. So I've never changed out a light fixture before and we're gonna try to do it ourselves.
Why is that such a big hole though?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're right. Wait, actually, hold on. Okay, unfortunately, we cannot install the new light fixture because there's a huge opening in the ceiling. But it's okay. We're just gonna attach the old one back. So I recruited my friend Kyle to help with this DIY project, but he's just rubbing antique gold rub-in buff on this old curtain rod, and it looked completely new. I would recommend using a rag to apply it so you have a smoother finish. So these are the new side tables that Amy painted black, and then we're gonna install the hardware. Okay, so since we couldn't install the light fixture up above, I bought these really nice plug-in pendants that's gonna go on both sides of the bed. It's gonna look so nice. These plug-in pendants are great for renters because you don't have to do any electrical work, and I simply drilled into the wall and attached it with some screws, and I think they provide a really high-end look for an affordable price. So a common thing that a lot of people do with hanging curtains is that they'll hang it a little bit too close to the top of the window. What you're gonna wanna do is do it a little bit above, maybe like 4 or 5 inches, so that it really extends the height of the wall. So that's what I'm gonna do over here. Here is the new curtain rod. It's the same one, it used to be silver, so we didn't have to spend money on a new curtain rod. I'm getting super hot in this room, but now it's time to style the bed and then the side tables. I got these really pretty prints from a book that I thrifted, and it had all of these gorgeous flowers. So I highly recommend, if you're looking for some cheap art, find some hardcover books at the thrift store and then use them as art. And to hang these, I'm doing my little painter's tape trick, where I'm just gonna measure it and mark where the nail needs to go. This makes it so much easier to hang.
Oh my god, it's so cute! Oh my god!
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Ready, go.
Wow! Oh my god! I really like the, what do you call that?
Wallpaper?
The wallpaper's
Yeah.
so nice.
The whole thing.
The whole thing.
Oh, dang. Oh.
You should have Pinterest.
Kids.
It's so pink.
Yeah, I love it. It's like, whatever.
Hi guys, okay, so I'm finally back home as you can see, and it was such a fun and tiring weekend, let me tell you. I'm just so happy with what we were able to accomplish in less than 2 days, and I'm so grateful that I had friends to help me along the way. You know, they were willing to do manual labor on a weekend, which I'm grateful for. I wish, of course, that I could do so much more, but with the time frame we had, you can't do every single thing imaginable. But I'm just so happy that Sandy and her boyfriend and their family really loved how it turned out. That is the most important thing. And I'm looking forward to doing more makeovers like this in the future with whoever is willing to trust me with their space. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, help me out for the YouTube algorithm, and comment down below what your favorite part was. I absolutely love how the bed was styled and just against that really gorgeous wallpaper. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!